Worse, if all the unpaid checks in the system were presented for payment, this would add a further $500 million to the deficit for the month of May. This will then take our total deficit in this month to $4.42 billion for this month. And therefore, the Ministry of Finance will need to find funding. So while we give you the reality of the situation, we will fix it. We have the plans. We have the policies. And above all, we have the willpower to fix this. And this is what we had warned about in the entire election campaign. That is why I'm telling you today, I am not surprised, and you should not be surprised. We said they had drained the Treasury. We knew that coming in, so we are not caught by surprise. So we were ready with the plans, policies, and programs to fix it, and fix it we will. We will. So as we are, cash flow, we have a deficit of $4.42 billion. How are we going to fill that hole? How are we going to fill that financial hole? Not H-O-L-E, W-H-O-L-E. It's a big hole. How? This is a delicate situation. It means that our country was being run month to month, literally living first on the overdraft at the bank. You remember when they told us we were running on fumes in 2010, 2015? They had maxed out that overdraft, they told us, running on fumes. Nothing was further from the truth. Now it's not about maxing out and running on fumes. They don't even have the fumes. They did not even leave fumes. Left us with over $4 billion in a deficit situation. So we have to find the money. I tell you, we will find it with the willpower and with the brains. We have very competent people in finance in our country. We will find a way to meet the deficit in May. $4.42 billion in deficit, the month of May, can be funded as follows. One, we propose to draw down on the remaining $2.7 billion available in the overdraft facility at the central bank. Two, we propose to refinance a minimum of 60% of Treasury bills due in May. This will free up about $647.7 million to address part of the deficit. While it is estimated that 60% will be used, it is more practical to refinance the entirety of the $1.1 billion in Treasury bills to leave some breathing space with the balance in the overdraft. So it's a combination of plans that we have to fill that deficit that we have inherited. We will also look at the HSF, the available balance in the HSF to be drawn down for the rest of fiscal year 25 of $1.76 billion. We will have to undertake additional borrowing of about $1 billion. So I've raised the questions about June's cash flow, the expected deficit for fiscal 25, and it means at the end of this fiscal year, that deficit is about $11 billion. We said it in the budget when we were debating our last budget late last year for the 25 fiscal year. We said it whilst our minister was giving us some cock and bull story about it will only be this amount and that amount. We told them, we were aware. So you didn't catch us cat in bag, as they say. You did not. We knew and we warned the country about it, and maybe that is why the country overwhelmingly voted for us. Because the country knew that we could fix it and that we will fix it. So at the end of the fiscal, I've given you the deficits at this point in time. I've given you some proposals of how we plan to fix that now to take the country through into the May and June period. And then we go into the midterm review, and then we'll go into budget 2026.